Hi guys, welcome and welcome back again to my channel. It's Ada here again, and today we are going to be tackling another cleaning motivation. Yes, I'm bringing you guys another cleaning motivation. If you're new on here, welcome to my channel. My name is Ada and oh gosh. Okay, you guys, my name is Ada and I do everything cleaning motivation, organization, hauls, grocery hauls, Amazon hauls, and all of that. And I also do some vlogs and lifestyle content in general, and just motherhood and all of that good stuff. So if that looks like the kind of content you like watching, to go ahead and check out all my other videos on my channel, and check out my channel and see what you like, help yourself out, watch as many videos as you can. And you're welcome to my channel, you're welcome to join the family. Please go ahead and click that red subscribe button down, and also click on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I post a new video. So welcome to my channel. For my old subscribers, thank you for always tuning in and coming back. Today, of course, as you can see, I already showed you guys the house is so messy, like so messy. I mean, I don't know, nobody actually told me having kids would come with all of these extra things. I mean, I know kids are kind of like out there, but this I did not really plan well for. But I got this, you got it, mama. So let's clean up, and if you feel like you're going to join me, please do go ahead, get up and clean. If you've been procrastinating about cleaning or doing, just get up and do it. You can do it, you got this. So I'm just cleaning up their room. This is Jovan's room, so I'm just cleaning out. I don't know, Jovan's room and the girls' room, which one is the messy, like which one is like the messier one at this point. I don't know, but whichever one, we are going to be cleaning them out. And also, if you guys have any video suggestion, like if you guys want me to do anything, please let me know in the comment section. And if you also like want a link to anything at all that I have used in the video that you see, if it's something that I can link, I'll definitely go ahead and link that down in the description box. I'll definitely go ahead and link everything on there, but just still let me know. And if you're new on here, say hello to me in the comment section and let me see you. You guys, we are growing. Like, I'm so excited. We are growing, we are growing, we are growing. I mean, it might be little by little, but there's growth. We are moving. So hopefully this year everything works out as I planned. So I'm just being hopeful. So yeah. So my vacuum, I'm still waiting for the parts for my vacuum. So I don't know when I'm going to get a new vacuum, but and if you guys know any vacuum, like any kind of like any vacuum, any good vacuum that is reasonably priced, and I can do with that, because if I already have a Dyson V11 Animal, and that's one hell of an expensive vacuum. So I love it, but I messed up, okay, and this is where I am right now. So I'm just trying to manage to clean up the house without a vacuum before anything, but hopefully they have the parts back in store and I can get one and get my life back together. But trust me, this brush thing actually does a good job. Like, it actually does a great job. I was like, you'll be surprised how much it cleans out your carpets. The only thing is that it doesn't like go deep down to uproot all those smaller particles of dirt and all of that. That's just the only difference. So apart from that, it really does a good job. At least it keeps the house clean. So yeah, you can see that. So I have laundry that I'm supposed to fold, and then I have of course the bed to make and everything. So I'm going to go ahead and fold the laundry, or I'll just do the laundry later on when I'm done. Look at this little man. Oh Lord, this is like my handbag right here. He's look at this boy. He's anywhere that I am, that's where he wants to be. I guess this is a mama's boy right there. So that is allowed. That is allowed, totally fine. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish up with the girls' room. Then I can go back and do the laundry in his room. You guys, look at what Tiffany did to her bed, like with crayons. I'm telling you, I don't even understand how. Honestly, sometimes I wonder what goes on in children's head, like how they act sometimes. Like you guys, I have not even tried or bothered to clean it or wipe it or do anything to it. I just left it for her like that because I am tired. I just left it like that. I'm just like, you know what? They are going to use this bed until whenever we are moving out. That's the only time I'm going to buy any new furniture when it comes to bed and some things. Like, that's the only time I can buy anything new. Like, they should just use it like that. That's how it will be, honestly. I'm not even going to do nothing. So this is how I go out and lay out all the clothes, and separate them for just like everybody's own. I separate them, then after I go ahead and place it in their various place or whatever, their drawers and their dressers or whatever they have. I just place it on there. That's how I do. I just kind of like bring everything upstairs and then do it here. So most times you see me doing it downstairs. It just depends. But this today they were not around to like help me take things up and down. So I just brought it upstairs. It just listen as the spirit leads. That's how I do the laundry when it comes. I either do it in the living room, or if I have extra strength, I can just bring everything up and just do it up there. So guys, if you have not subscribed already, please do go ahead and subscribe if you have not done that so far in this video. Hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. If you have not subscribed, please go ahead, click that red subscribe button, click on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I post a new video. And if you guys want more vlogs or anything day in the life and all of that good fun videos, do go ahead and let me know in the comment section, and I'll definitely do that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you guys so much for tuning in. Thank you for watching. As always, I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Make sure you finish the rest of the video. Bye.